Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Good
everyone.
afternoon.
So today we have Dr. Kavita Yogesh Suravanshi. She is head of MCA department at DY Patil Institute of Master of Computer Application and Management. And she also has 16 years of teaching experience and has completed MCA and awarded PhD in Computer Management from North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon. And she also has secured the 13th merit rank in Maharashtra HSC board examination and also has been awarded National Merit Scholarship for Higher Education. And she also holds a university topper recognition during her graduation from NMU Jalgaon. So, uh, today, ma'am, I would like to welcome you on behalf of Collegiania. So, as I told you, Collegiania has started an initiative of thought on education where students can get insights about college and opportunities directly from HODs and professors and dignitaries like you. So, now, shall we start with the question?
Sure.
So, ma'am, please tell us a bit about the Master of Computer Application program.
Yes. And thank you, Tarun, for your kind words and kind introduction. And yes, we can proceed with your question and let us clear with the MCA. The Master of Computer Application course is a 2-year postgraduate degree course that imparts theory and practical knowledge on various aspects of computer application as per the demands of industry. The objective of MCA program is to give a comprehensive training to postgraduate students to empower them with a rapidly changing technology along with hands-on practice. Here I would like to share the unique feature of MCA program curriculum of Savitribai Phule Pune University, and that is project-based learning. Each semester, student must design and develop a computer-based application. MCA program is equipped the students with emerging technology knowledge which they apply on project development.
That's really great. So, next question is what is the eligibility criteria for MC admission?
Okay. See, to get an admission to MCA course, there are simply two eligibility criteria that need to be fulfilled by the candidates. Firstly, the candidate should pass any undergraduate degree with mathematics as a compulsory subject during his education. Secondly, the candidate needs to obtain a score in MCA Common Entrance Test (CET) conducted by a competent authority. These are the two basic eligibility criteria.
Okay, that's really good. So, next question is what are job opportunities after completion of MCA program?
Yes, it's a very important question from the perspective of an MCA course aspirants. Surely. MCA is a well-known program for a computer science candidates. As you know, today is the age of a disruptive technology, which has shaken up the corporate industry. The IT industry requires the professionals who are equipped with a sound technical skill set, and that is why the demand for MCA postgraduate is always high in the corporate industry, even after the post-COVID. There is no doubt that MCA postgraduate students will get a quick placement with a good salary package. Nevertheless, after successful completion of an MCA program, a number of job opportunities will open for these students as they will be a job ready for variety of the profiles in the software industry, namely software developer, big data analytics, cyber security specialist, software engineer, software tester, data scientist, software application architect, system analyst, database engineer, data scientist, cloud architect, web designer, mobile app developer, software quality engineer, and yes, can become an entrepreneur. So like this, there are so many job opportunities after completion of MCA program.
Okay, so which college under DY Patil Akurdi campus offers this course? Can you please highlight best practices of MCA department?
Okay. Diva Patil Institute of Master of Computer Applications and Management, Akurdi, offers an MCA course in this campus. And this course is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. And to highlight about our practices at MC department, let me clear that apart from an SPPU curriculum, To enhance the employability readiness and the technical competency of the students, VMC department conducts various academic innovative practices around the year, like namely a TED Talk forum, Flip Classroom activity, IIT Bombay certification examinations, Youth for Work skill-based talent test series, monthly IT assembly sessions, value-added sessions during summer and winter vacations, soft skill training program, expert sessions from eminent corporate trainer, a programming test series, virtual lab activities, special interest group SIG activities on the latest emerging technology like an IoT, AI, blockchain, and so on. All these activities help our students to learn beyond the prescribed syllabus and add value to their skill set. We aim to create a future leaders to meet the needs of emerging disruptive technology. All faculty members of the department take initiatives to learn and keep pace with the latest technology developments. To foster academic excellency and to inculcate innovative approach, faculty focuses on student-centric learning methods, teaching learning methods like experiential learning, participatory learning, project-based learning, action-based learning, so on and so forth. The differential monitoring and mentoring is our best practice. The guardian faculty member is allotted to each of our student to act as a mentor for that student and monitors their attendance and overall progress throughout the year. Our MC department also organizes counseling day session, parent-teacher meet, letter to parents activities for the academic, professional, and holistic development of our students. That is why we are all practicing at our department.
Okay. Also, would you like to share something about placement of MC student at DYPI MCA?
Regarding placement?
Yeah, about placement.
Okay. See, as I shared with you all, Master of Computer Application is booming with the endless job opportunities in both public and private sectors. It is inspiring to say that reputed industries across the country visit our college regularly for the campus recruitment process. Our majority of students with a first class and the good communication skills receive offer letter of a reputed company before their technical degree certificate. We are having increasing percentage of placements from last 5 years, and we are consistently succeed in bringing good companies to our campus. Currently, 71% of students of MCA got placement in the last year 2020. Our students got placed in various reputed IT companies. A promising MCA candidates can also expect to get hired by the world-class best multinational companies and IT companies where they can get a minimum package of 10 lakh per annum. That is where our placements are here.
Yeah, that's really insightful, ma'am. So we are done with the questions here. And
thank you.
And they'll thank you for the time and everything.
Okay. Thank you. I am really thankful to the College Dunia for providing an opportunity to share our views from DY Patil Institute of MCA and Management. Thank you.